Welcome to this exciting journey where we delve into the fascinating world of YouTube, exploring how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to create a successful and profitable channel, all without ever showing your face on camera. In today's digital landscape, content creation is more accessible than ever, and with the rise of AI tools, you can produce high-quality videos with minimal effort, making it an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to make money on YouTube. The idea of running a faceless YouTube channel might seem unconventional, but it's a strategy that has gained significant traction. Many successful YouTubers generate substantial income by creating content that doesn't require personal on-screen appearances. Whether you're camera shy, prefer privacy, or simply want to streamline your content production process, AI offers the perfect solution. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a compelling faceless video using two of the most powerful AI tools available, TubeMagic and Pictory. First, we'll guide you through the process of using TubeMagic to craft engaging scripts that resonate with your audience. This AI-driven tool simplifies script writing, ensuring your content is engaging and optimized for YouTube's algorithms, helping your videos rank higher in search results. Next, we'll show you how to take that script and transform it into a polished, professional video using Pictory. This AI-powered platform allows you to create visually stunning videos in minutes, complete with custom visuals, audio, voiceovers, and branding elements, all without needing any advanced editing skills. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these tools work together to streamline the video creation process, allowing you to focus on growing your channel and generating income. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Step 1. Script creation with TubeMagic. Creating a compelling script is the cornerstone of any successful YouTube video, especially when you're running a faceless channel. A well-crafted script not only engages your audience, but also guides the flow of your content, ensuring that your message is clear and impactful. This is where TubeMagic, an AI-powered script generation tool, comes into play. TubeMagic takes the guesswork out of script writing, providing you with high-quality, optimized scripts in a fraction of the time it would take to write one manually. Let's dive into using TubeMagic to create your script. Automated script generation. The first thing that makes TubeMagic a game changer is its ability to generate scripts automatically. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a beginner, this feature is incredibly valuable. All you need to do is enter your video topic or a few relevant keywords, and TubeMagic's AI will do the rest. It scans the internet, analyzes trending topics, and compiles a script tailored to your chosen subject. The generated script is not just a random assortment of words. It's structured, coherent, and designed to capture the attention of your target audience. For example, if your video is about how to make money on YouTube, you would input that topic, and TubeMagic would generate a detailed script covering various aspects such as monetization strategies, tips for growing your channel, and the benefits of using AI tools. The script will include an introduction, key talking points, and a conclusion, all crafted to maintain viewer interest and encourage engagement. Customization options. TubeMagic's automated script generation is powerful, but it doesn't offer direct customization options within the tool yet. After generating a script, you'll need to copy and paste it into a Word document to make any necessary edits. This allows you to add personal anecdotes, adjust the tone to match your brand, or modify the length to suit your video format, giving you the flexibility to tailor the script to your needs outside of the tool. However, fine-tuning specific sections directly within TubeMagic, like enhancing the introduction or expanding on certain points, isn't possible with this tool, saving time and effort. One of the most significant advantages of using TubeMagic is the time and effort it saves. Writing a script from scratch can be a time-consuming process, especially if you're aiming for high quality. TubeMagic streamlines this process, allowing you to focus on other aspects of content creation, such as video production and marketing. With TubeMagic, what used to take hours or even days can now be done in minutes. TubeMagic is invaluable for anyone looking to create professional, engaging, and SEO-optimized scripts for their YouTube videos. Whether you're running a faceless channel or a traditional one, TubeMagic can help you produce content that resonates with your audience and drives your channel's growth. By leveraging the power of AI, you can elevate your content, save time, and focus on what you do best, creating and sharing your unique message with the world. Step 2. Video creation with Pictory. Once you have your script ready from TubeMagic, the next step is to transform it into a compelling video using Pictory. Pictory is a versatile AI-powered tool designed to streamline video creation, making it accessible even if you don't have extensive video editing experience. Here's how you can efficiently create a faceless YouTube video with Pictory, login, and dashboard. Overview. Start by signing up or logging into your Pictory account. On the main dashboard, you'll see several video creation options. Focus on the script-to-video method, which is perfect for turning your text-based script into a visually engaging video. Script-to-video conversion. Click on the script-to-video option. Here, you'll paste the script you generated with TubeMagic into the text editor. Pictory's AI will automatically process the script, highlighting keywords and generating corresponding visuals. This automated process helps create a structured video that aligns with your script's content. Selecting templates and style. After pasting your script, you need to select a template and aspect ratio for your video. Pictory offers a variety of templates designed for different styles and themes. Choose one that best fits the tone and branding of your content. The aspect ratio can be adjusted depending on whether you are targeting YouTube, Instagram, or other platforms. For YouTube, the standard 16:9 ratio is ideal. Enhancing the visuals. With the basic structure in place, it's time to enhance your video with visuals. You can add images and video clips from Pictory's extensive library or upload your own. This feature is particularly useful for adding context and making your video more engaging. If you're creating a faceless video, you might use stock footage, animated graphics, or other non-personal visuals. Adding elements. To make your video stand out, incorporate elements such as stickers, GIFs, and emojis. These additions can emphasize key points and keep the viewer's attention. Pictory's library has a range of these elements, which can be easily dragged and dropped into your video. Incorporating audio. Adding background music or voiceovers enhances the viewing experience. Pictory allows you to upload audio files or choose from its collection of royalty-free music. You can also add voiceovers if you want to include narrations or explanations. Customizing text and branding. You can customize text overlays to highlight important information from your script. Pictory provides various text styles and formats that you can adjust according to your video's needs. Additionally, you can create an engaging intro and outro scene and add your logo to build brand recognition. Adjusting format. Finally, adjust the video's aspect ratio and resolution to ensure it meets the requirements for different platforms. Pictory allows you to fine-tune these settings, making your video adaptable for various screen sizes and devices. By following these steps, you can efficiently create a professional-quality faceless video with Pictory. This streamlined process saves time and helps you produce high-quality content that can drive engagement and grow your YouTube channel. Invitation to free training. Ready to dive deeper into making money on YouTube without ever recording a video? Join our free training to learn the exact strategies that successful YouTubers use. The link is in the bio. With AI tools like TubeMagic and Pictory, creating faceless YouTube videos has never been easier. Start today and see how these tools can help you grow your YouTube channel and earn money. Don't forget to check out the free training link in the bio for more tips and strategies. The links are in the description. Thank you for watching our deep dive into TubeMagic and its script generation capabilities. We hope this guide has clarified how the tool works and how you can best use it to create compelling video content. While TubeMagic excels at generating initial scripts, remember that you'll need to do some additional customization outside the tool to fine-tune your content to perfection. By copying the generated script into a Word document, you can add personal anecdotes, adjust the tone, and modify the length to fit your video format, ensuring that the final product aligns with your unique vision and goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us know what content you enjoy and want more of. Don't forget to share this video with friends or colleagues who might also benefit from these insights. Sharing helps spread valuable information and supports our growing community. For more tips, tutorials, and updates on the latest tools and strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update and stay informed about our latest content. We're dedicated to providing valuable and actionable advice to enhance your content creation journey. Thanks again for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, in which we'll continue to explore new ways to make your content stand out. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired.